Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show with you how you can send a message to Roblox support. So guys, first you have to do, open your browser and your device or computer and search bar for Roblox and /support. So as you can see here, you find this page. You can type your name here and your address, email, and confirm your email and select your device. Example, my device is category here, and see payment and select whatever you want and select other option. And I made a purchase and I didn't receive then, so you can here describe your issue or your bug here. After that guys, simply you have to click on the continue button and will say you can send this message to your Roblox support. It's very simple steps guys, all steps is here. And I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more content.